keyboard. So guys, tita, can I charge my tablet please? Sorry guys, I got distracted by my tita. I got annoyed so much. So guys, we're gonna play Shamelon glitches. We at 4%. Tita, please lang. Tita, please. Please lang. Please lang, good tita ha. Wala ka nag-respect sa people. Okay, well guys, I'm gonna play Shamelon. Okay guys, I'm gonna charge it. Na. Ang para na. Nasa tayo pa na marami. Ang pura tayo pala kasi. Okay guys, here now. Okay guys, I'm playing Shamelon. So guys, I know this. I actually know this. This looks like the same as the record. Wait, hold on. Ikaw yung nagkapoy ko ay palaway ka. Wait, I know. Wait, if we guys, if we actually do it guys like this thing, like the I'm gonna sa katitabi. Itong donut ha. Nakadungog ka wala. Tungog. Hindi ganun yung pick up. Donut. Okay. Crispy. Cream. Be. Kaya talitan takag ice cream pag uma. Kung nakita out niya ha. Sagot ka wala. Oh. Kung wala pick up mo siya, yung kita mag palit. Dili. Kung wala ka nagdala pick up, ano sa ingon ni tita sa inyo ha? Dalo. Oh. Ito dalo. Oh, sorry guys. Ito dalo. Why nang brother? Malain dito tita ha, madalo ka ha. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna think something guys, okay? I'm gonna think something in Shamelon. Okay. Oh, I know. Nakapula ba ka daw? I'm sorry for this loss, guys. Isin mo na. Sagal ang nakapula. Okay, so guys, we're doing great, guys. This hiding spot will work. Trust me. It will work. We are cameras. Okay, now guys, since now I am normal in Shamelon, since now I am okay, so guys, I turned into a gray in Shamelon. I turned myself gray. Then guys, okay, Shamelon is really easy to do.